Hi everybody, welcome to Open-Minded Singing channel. My name is Justine, I'm from Poland. I'm a singer and songwriter, but also I'm daft about education and of course, harmony. If you want to find out more about what I'm doing and who I am, you can check out my YouTube channel. But let's start from the beginning. Why harmony games? Let me explain it to you. First of all, it's an experiment, plus I want to find out if anyone would be interested in singing along in harmony with me. I hope that we can create a community to support ourselves and, what's most important, sing together. Honestly, after all these years of my education, I think I'm fed up of all the mysterious techniques and conspiracy theories about how much talent you need to have or which technique you should learn. What I think is, if you really love to sing and you sing a lot and you listen to your body and pay attention to the details, ask questions, analyze, and think, that's the key. Same thing with harmony. If you want to learn to sing in harmony, you just need to practice. So this is why I want to create harmony games. I will show you how to sing each voice in your favorite songs, and you can practice it first with me, then on your own, and finally sing it with other vocal parts. Why I called it games? It's simple. No overthinking, no unnecessary theories, just singing and having fun. Once you will get it, trust me, it's pure happiness to sing in harmony. In the description, you will find a table of contents, and you can easily navigate between the parts. You can choose if you want to learn only one voice or all of them. You can repeat one section as many times as you want to and go to the next one whenever you're ready. And also you can come back to this video at any time and jump straight to the practicing. On the screen, you will find the lyrics, the sheet music, and don't worry if you can't read music, you don't have to look at it, but in the long run it can help you to learn your voice faster. And in the corner, you will find the name of the section to prevent getting lost. I think it's all you need to know. For a start, I've chosen a simple but very beautiful song, Shallow, and the part that Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper sing together.
In a shallow, in a shallow, in a shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Let's begin with Gaga's part, and you can first sing it with me.
In a shallow, in a shallow, in a shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Remember that you can repeat it as many times as you need. When you will be ready, you can go to the next section and sing it on your own. As you feel firm with your voice, let's try to sing it with Bradley's part.
In a shallow, in a shallow, in a shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Awesome! If you feel uncomfortable, don't worry, it takes time. you can sing it again, or you can also learn to sing that second voice. Let's try.
In a shallow, in a shallow, in a shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Now try to sing it on your own. If you can't, don't worry. Take your time and try it again. Great! If you're ready, we can move on and try to sing it together. I will sing Gaga's part and you will sing Bradley's.
In a shallow, in a shallow, in a shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
So thank you for singing with me, and I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want more and what songs would you like to sing in the future videos. I really need your suggestions, so I'm waiting for your comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you want to, you can also click the notification bell to get the notification every time I'll upload a video. And if you have any further questions, just hit me up in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you out. And of course, you can follow Open-Minded Singing on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can also record yourself as you sing Shallow in harmony. You can do it alone or with a friend. Just don't forget to tag Open-Minded Singing with hashtag Harmony Games. I'm waiting for your videos. So, see you next time. Bye.